Hello, guys. Uh, from this moment, I will talk about how you can learn, how you configure your system for full running of a RYU controller and with the SDN. And RYU is a good source for learning the the OpenFlow, which is a software-defined networking. So first of all, we need a tool. So for me, I didn't use the full functional operating system of a Linux. I use the VirtualBox. I use the virtual machine, which is a VirtualBox, or VMware workstation, whatever you prefer. And for open source, the VirtualBox is totally free, and it is good for doing the research. All right, so the VirtualBox, you can download it just from the Google Chrome and just type the VirtualBox, and that's it. So it is from Oracle, and you can use it, and you can download it, and then just install, and that's basically the first procedure you should do. And the second, after the downloading of after installation of the VirtualBox, and you will have this Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. This the window. So you open the GUI, and you will see there's a several functions that you can use. So right now, probably I'm using this operating system, which is the Ubuntu 16.04.5. So I believe so it's working very good for the RYU, and you can probably use any operating system you prefer. You just create a new operating system, and the way you can create is not a cloud, but okay, you add a new. That's it. So you can create a new virtual machine. So you can create a you can rename it or do whatever memory size you prefer. So for me, if you wanted to do the control better, uh, the better speed and the efficiency for doing the operating system, I prefer the memory is about 4 GB or above. So I choose 4 GB, and then just type whatever name and you can create. Yep. And also you can create the VirtualBox, the hard disk. So this file is for log is for the app is for the it's like a warehouse for every file you saved. So you just create, and that's it. So basically, after you create, it doesn't have any operating system yet. So what you should do is you need to upload an operating system. And so for the first of all, you need to turn it on, turn the machine on, and upload. Let's wait. Yeah, you can upload the disk. So that is a basic procedure to set up a new machine, a new virtual machine actually, for our experiment. So you can choose whatever file you prefer, so that's fine. I'm not gonna do it because I already have it, so I just gonna delete it. Anyway, besides, I can also add a new file, an existing file that I downloaded or copy from someone else, which is very convenient. So you can have any function from another person's personal machine. So in this way, let me check if I have one. Download. I probably don't have it, but anyway, see this PC. Okay, so this is a new machine that we turn on. There's no operating system running, so we don't need it. So we just power off the machine. Okay. Okay, the next step is we can create a snapshot. So what is a snapshot? Snapshot, so here I create a snapshot already. So snapshot means that we can actually can save every configuration of the certain moment. So suppose you're download of software or update a software, and later on the software conflicts with the system and you couldn't solve it, then how you gonna deal with it? And you're probably gonna reinstall it, but the system is in a state that you couldn't continue, and then you just go back to the snapshot. So that's gonna be a lot more easier. So that is a function of a snapshot, which is very useful. You will need it, and then after that, basically, it's power off, and you can turn it on easily. After turning on, you will have the window and a virtual machine is running. Okay, so just type. Let's wait for a while. So meanwhile, let's see. Let's go to the tool and add a new one. Okay, it's add, but import. So if we go to the desktop and we want to import the existing virtual machine, and here it is. So the file type is an open virtual, it's virtual virtualization format archive. So that is the data type that we can use. It's like over 10 gigabytes. So that's one of the function I wanted to introduce to you is from the import, the tools and import. Okay, let's take a look at our virtual machine. So we have a problem because the graphical window is too small. We want to make it bigger. How? Let's go to device. Suppose you're doing the first time, you don't have the disk, and what you should do is you should insert the guest edition CD image, and after that, and you will see, and after you restart, you need to restart, reboot the virtual machine, and after that, from the view, you will see there's a one more option shows up, which is the seamless mode. And the seamless mode gonna help you to, let me check. Yep. So from seamless mode and then full screen mode, and you will have the working machine like that. So thank you very much, and that is all for the VirtualBox setup, and hope you like it.